Hi, welcome to Go Digital website. And in this video, we're going to learn how to do a blog post. And as well, we're going to do the how to insert images, with how to do a link, outbound link into your reviews account, whether it's going to be Google's or Yelp, or as well your Facebook page. And as well, we're going to link the blog. We're going to link it to the services page, or as well we can link it to different shopping cart. So, or we can just do to the informational the products or something like that. So this way we create an easy navigation system in your website that will make you the rank higher on search engine results by doing a outbound link into your uh, online directory, whether it's going to be Facebook Marketplace or as well Yelp or as well the Google Maps. This will create a authority into your blog post that you can also do the that you can then search engines will realize that you have an outbound link into your reviews or your Google Maps or your Facebook Marketplace, and they will cite you as that your website has a reputable source, the link which come from the marketplace or Yelp or as well Google Maps. Okay, so we're going to get started on creating our blog, and we're simply going to get started, and we're going to go to the settings. We are going to go to the blog page, and as you can see, we have this blog here, and we have two different blog posts. We're going to go manage blog posts, and then we're going to hit edit here. And as well, we already have this image here, so we're going to erase all of this content right now. So I'm going to erase this content. We have to make sure that we have 500 or 500 or more words. But here, and this is going to be the body text, and down here is going to be your full body text for your blog. So right here, when you have this section here, so we're going to include this section, just one paragraph. Make sure you only have one paragraph. You're going to copy, and then you're going to paste here one paragraph only here. And if you want to include one image, you're simply going to click here and gonna go like this here, and then you're gonna look for the source. And let's say, for example, we're gonna make a blog post about cleaning windows. So make sure that you include the image description, which is going to be the alt attributes, and it's gonna be cleaning windows. And then we're gonna go to the advanced, and right here is gonna be the vertical space. So the space between the vertical one side, the left side, and the right side, okay? So we're going to put 20 pixels, and the horizontal space is gonna be the top and the bottom. I'm sorry, this one here is gonna be the top and the bottom for the vertical, and the horizontal is gonna be the left and the right sides, okay? So let's go here. So we're gonna do 20 pixels here, and then we're gonna do a border width, which is gonna create a border around the image, and we can put 10 pixels here. Okay, so we're gonna select the border style. You can either select any of these, whatever you like here. It's gonna create the border, and then we're gonna save changes. And as you can see, this one already have the save the changes, okay? And now we're going to go to paragraph here, and then we're gonna go click align, and then we're gonna go left, and then we're gonna save changes. And our image is right here on the left side, but this image is too big here. You see this image is way too big. So we're going to go back, and then we're going to go click again here, edit, and then we realize that this image is way too big. So now we're going to come here and we're going to make it smaller. So we just simply drag and just make it smaller, okay? So just make it to the size of the paragraph when you cover the entire paragraph or something like that, okay? So just make it like this here, make it smaller, and then you're gonna click Save Changes, and then you click here, and then you're gonna click Save Changes, and this image is already now is small, okay? So now you're not gonna have a big image here because you resize the image here. Okay, so this is for the body text, and let's go back here for this same module here in the blog post. So we're going to go back edit, and now this is the body text, which is going to appear here, and now we have to take care of the full body text here. So we're going to go to the word counter. So right here, I make sure that whatever I type exceeds 500 words. It tells me that I have 639 words. If I'm going to create a blog post, it has to be from 400 words or more. But if you have 500, 600, or 800, 1000, it all depends how long you want to do it. Just make sure that you exceed 400 words and or 500, and then they make sure that you just whatever you're going to write about has to be like informational. You don't have to overwrite, okay? You don't have to overwrite. Just make sure that you cover whatever you're going to write, and that's it, within 400, 500 words. You don't have to overwrite anything. But if you have something that is gonna take you 1,000 words, is okay. Only if you're not overwriting, you know. But the thing is here that you just have to do it like that, okay? From 400 to 500, and just try not to overwrite anything here, okay? So let's go here and let's go here. Okay, so this is the first paragraph, and this is what you're gonna have in your first paragraph, and then we're gonna include like this, okay? So the title, let's go. So here is the title to the blog post, okay? So right here you can change the blog post, whatever title. So cleaning windows, our cleaning, this for example, our cleaning, our cleaning windows methods. And then we go like here, and this, and we included, that's our title here. And then right here, cleaning windows step by step, okay? And then we go like this, okay? So that's going to be here, and then we're gonna change it to the heading. We're gonna make it heading 2. It's important because this one here is gonna be heading 1, okay? This one right here is heading 1, and that's why you want to include this one as a heading 2, okay? And just like that. And then over here, this other one, let's say for a step 1 or a step 2, a step one like this. But here in this part right here, you have to include just the introduction. So you're going to introduce here why you do and why you clean the windows or something. And right here, you can include, if you want, a link back to the home page, okay? Or to the services page or something. You want to say, okay, or if you have a product or something, you want them to buy you a service product or something, you have to link this to the service product or something, and just include the URL here, the whatever product you may be selling, or you want to send them to the contact us or to your telephone number or something. You want to ask more questions, yes, write us down here or contact us or anything. Just give us a call or something, whatever. Sometimes they do it just to the contact us if they don't want to have a product, receive payments online. Sometimes they want to do the service first, and then they want to receive the payment. So right here, so you will include the link here to the homepage, and let's go like this. And this will go to the homepage. And if you want to learn more, just come here and just go like this, and then to the current window, and then we save changes. And right here, let's say they're going back to the home page, or if you want to send them to the services page, to the contact us page, or even to a product. Okay. So right here, step by step, and then down here we include step 2. Okay. So step one here, we're gonna do the paragraph, the heading, and make sure we make it heading 2. Okay. So this is heading 2. This is heading 2 as well. And the other paragraph here, this one, is going to be heading 2 as well, okay? So just like that, okay? Just make it heading 2 or heading 2 like that. And if you want to include something here, for example, let's say the you can include, okay, so let's go for here. So you come here in the steps here. This is a step one. You tell them the steps how you clean it here, and this is the products that we use here. You might be using 2 products, and these are the products that we use here. And then you go like this here. You make this a bold. You bold this one, and then you go down here, and then you say, okay, I use the Windex. Windex, make sure you go this here. You don't bold this one here, and you make it like this. Windex, water, you can do water, and just like that. Windex mixed with water or soap. If you're using soap, you can just say this soap, whatever soap you may using. Sometimes you use a specific soap and water or something like this. And as well, you can do the we use the a rack. Let's say, for example, you use a rack or something, and the towels, or the window clear tool like this. Okay, so you use the window clear tool. So you just explain them here something that whatever the steps you use, you tell them, okay, here I just use the spray the entire window with water and soap or something, or I use a rack to make sure everything here, and then I go use the clear window tool, and at the end I use paper towels to make sure I do not leave anything here or something like this. Okay, so make sure you include something like this, the bullet points as well. You can use bullet points or use this one, okay? And then let's go here. Let's go find this one here. Okay, so over here, if you are interested in our services, you can see our reviews at Google Maps. So you're gonna make this a link, okay? So you're gonna first go like this here, and then you're gonna turn it into like this, into a bolt, and then we're gonna go to the Google links, whatever you have your business profile, someplace in the Google Maps or someplace, and then you're gonna click reviews here, and then you're gonna copy and paste this copy, and then go back to your place here, and then you're gonna highlight this one here. This is gonna be your outbound link, and this is how you're gonna do it here. Then you're gonna enter the link here just like that, and then you're gonna click save changes. And this one here, with this outbound link, you're gonna have a repairable source link in your website that comes from Google Maps. They will give you this because it's gonna be linked to Google Maps. Maybe you can do it with Facebook Marketplace or something like this. Okay, so you can do like that. So this is your outbound link, and the save changes. So this is how your one block is gonna look, and this is your second block here. But we're going to go back to the modules, and then we're gonna switch up this one here. So this one, it says hello world, and then we're gonna do cleaning products, cleaning, or we're gonna do 5 cleaning products, 5 cleaning products, or maybe 5 cleaning services, something like this. Okay, so you may have a cleaning service product someplace or online, or you want them to call you over the phone or something and require your services. So you have this is going to be your body text, and we have to make sure in the body text we only have one paragraph. Okay, so we have this body, we erase this one here, and we only going to have one paragraph here. And right here we're just going to include the image here. So we have, let's say for example, we do the cleaning outside or whatever, and just put it here, any image, and then we do want to do image the outdoor cleaning. Then we go advanced, and we go with the vertical state. The top and the bottom is going to be 20 pixels. The left and the right sides 20 pixels, and the border width is going to be 10 pixels. And then we're going to choose a solid, or maybe a dotted line, or a dashed line, a double line, and we just go like this. Okay, and remember that this image is way too big. And right now then we're going to, as when we have the image highlighted, we're going to go to align, and then we're going to go left, and then we're going to go smaller, and just how we want it right now. And then we're going to go like this. And now our block is going to look like this here, with the image here right next to it here. Okay, so right here we're going to go back, and for right now we're going to save this one here, because we're going to create a link to the products or to the shop, whatever you want to do it. But to have a shop, we have to add a new sub page, and let's go shop or services or something. But right now we're just going to create a shop, okay, because we have a services page, informational services page, and we have an informational products page. So you want to call it buy our services, or buy let's call this request or something, or pay online, or just put the shop here. It does not matter. Just shop for this, and then we're gonna put the block shopping cart, and then we're gonna add. So this is going to be our shopping cart, and right here you see the contact is like this here. So let's say for example you want to come here for the contact, you want to move this here, the contact up here, and you want to make this shop highlighted like that. So we're gonna go to the settings. Let's go back here. So we want the shop down here. Okay, so let's go here to the settings, the contact. We make a default menu. We save changes. Let's go here. Contact. So let's go there. Okay, so we go to the shop here. So sometimes we go accent to here, and then we save changes. Okay, so we have this one here, and as you can see, you just move this one here, and then we just have to make the shop here, make sure we make it an accent. Okay, so we make it accent 1 or accent menu default like this, and now it's gonna be separate like this a little bit. Okay, so now the shop is gonna be accent like here, And then here you have to do like you have this one module here, and then we're gonna edit the products. So we're not gonna touch in base what products we're gonna offer, but here are going to be my first product. You may say this is a cleaning outdoors. Outdoors, and whatever you're gonna include here, you're gonna include the image here. Let's include the image. Upload the outdoor image. So you're gonna upload, and then you're gonna put the price in here, whatever price in here you charge for this or something, and then you go like this. In some countries there are additional tax product here. If you charge it for services, I don't think you charge any taxes. And then you're going to include the category, whatever you want to do it. So you're going to separate this by categories, and you can put the cleaning products or cleaning services. So for example, so let's go here, and this, for example, the save changes here, and then you're going to go to categories, and then you're going to change this one to cleaning services. So you're going to have it like this. So you can divide the cleaning services product or something like this, and you can put it like this, okay? And then you can put it on the bottom here, but right here we go like this here, depending how you want to do the different jobs, okay? So right for this thing here, to put it down here from the job here, you have to create a new job, and just instead of calling it job, you have to go like this, the cleaning services or something like this, okay? But it's different for this. But right now we're just gonna focus on sending this link to the cleaning services, and we're just gonna go products here, and my first product is gonna be cleaning services, and right here we're gonna do cleaning windows, and then we're going to include whatever the price here, and you just can include, okay, which, so because some of us we charge the services per hour, so you could easily charge the mobile service fee and then charge the customer when you arrive there the invoice and charge them by the hours. But if you want to do an advanced search engine website, which requires a CMS or something, with the advanced search engine website, you can create more advanced products. The site builder can create the basic products, but it's going to be simple search engine website, and it does not have no extra cost, but you can easily appear on the internet search without expending a lot of money in just making a website if you want to decide to make a more advanced website, because this one will only have no extra costs other than your domain name, your web hosting, your SSL, and your private whose privacy. And but you're gonna have the people can call you. You can do different payment methods. You can do cash or whatever, however you want to do it. It all depends. It's up to you. Okay. So right here, whether they can do different they can come here and they can do the Square payment method or whatever, okay, so right here, when you have this one here, let's go back here. After you have this product here, so we're going to see let's go back here. So you're gonna send them to your shop. So we're gonna refresh to your shop, whatever products you may have here, and then we're gonna go back to the products. We're gonna go back to the blog. Okay, so we have this blog right here, and then we're gonna go hit manage blogs. And then we're gonna go to the second one here. And then we're gonna go to the full body text. You're gonna open this one here. Let's go like this here. And right here, we're gonna go to the word counter. Make sure that you do not overwrite, okay? Just write whatever you want to write here. Don't write stuff that is not relevant to whatever you want to sell. Make sure that you have relevancy whenever you're writing. And it's important you stay in the topic. Okay, for example, this is gonna be so we have these 5 cleaning services. This could be outdoor or something like this. And right here, you're gonna put here 5 cleaning services. And then you're gonna go, okay, service number 1, service number 2, and then we go like this, okay? So service 2, and if you say 5 services, just make sure you finish writing 5 services, okay? So we hope number 2 or something. If you have 2 different services, just write down 2 services or something, but make sure that you include an introduction paragraph, okay? Just like this one, and right here, we make sure this one here. So let's go. Okay, 1 second. Let's go find out something. Okay. So let's go here to this cleaning, and let's say our cleaning methods, and then we have here. Okay, so this does appear here. Okay, so we have the top part here, and then we have this one here. So you can make it like that. Okay, so let's go back to modify post. So we come here and then we have, okay, so we have this part appears here, and now this part here, and then this one, our cleaning services. So make sure that you include this as a paragraph 2, heading 2, like this, and then you go the service, the same, heading 2, like that, and as well this one here, okay? So let's find out this one. Okay, so we go here and then we're gonna do the same here. You can either you make the link to the shop, and this you wanna make a link to the shop so they can buy you the service online, and then you're gonna have like this, wherever you have your shop products for the cleaning. And then just put like this, okay? And just go like that in the current window. And as well, it's important that you use the outbound link for this one here, whether it's gonna be to the Facebook Marketplace, to the Foursquare, wherever you're gonna have your getting reviews. There are different places, or you can include like this. If you are interested in our services, you can see our reviews like here, and we can go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another way how you can do it here. You're gonna do it bold as it is here, and then right here you're gonna include the like this. Okay, the number 1 is gonna be Google, and then number 2 Facebook Market, and then Foursquare. And then right here, you can make this link to Google, make this link to Market Square, Facebook Marketplace, and then make this link right here. And if you may have Yelp, you can send them to see your reviews in Yelp. by having this outbound link in your blog post, you're gonna have a repeatable source like a social media source. They will much easier because they're gonna see, okay, this website is connected to the algorithms of Google Maps, Facebook Marketplace, Foursquare, and every time somebody leave a review here with Yelp and they're gonna connect these reviews to your website. Okay, so they know this here. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go back here to the settings. And by having the website and all of these here, you're gonna rank higher in different places in the search engines, okay? So they're gonna have you having much better the and all this here because the whenever you have go to the Google Maps, if you just try to do a Google profile, you're not gonna rank high in Google at all because you don't have a website. So it's important you have a website with the reputable source, the blogs and all this so you can get better high search engine results, okay? Okay, so let's go here. So that's how you're gonna do it. The Google Maps, just make the link. I just teach you how to do the link and just go to your reviews page, whatever you want to do it. And as well, you wanna do the service clinic, or let's say, for example, you wanna send the link to the contact us page. So we're gonna do let's go. Okay, so we're gonna bold this one. So you can bold the links and this go like this. And then you're gonna have, if you want to ask them to contact you and go like this, okay? Or something like this, okay? And just save like that and they can go like this, okay? And as well for this one here, so if you want to include images for service one, you want to include an image right here. So you want to have the image here, you're going to do the same here. We're going to go to the outdoor or the window cleaning. The service, you're going to say window cleaning. So it's important that you have images in your blog post, okay? So we're gonna make it like this. And we're going to go to the paragraph, align, and then we're gonna go left. And now we see that our image is on the left. We're gonna go click the link for this, and then we're gonna go advanced. So float left, the space 20, horizontal space 20, and then the border width 10, and then we're gonna choose a border dotted line, and then we're gonna have it like this, and then we're gonna save changes here. So the image is not gonna appear here, but it's gonna appear down here, okay? So you can see here. Okay, and then if they can click to your blog post, and as well they can click over here to Google, Facebook Marketplace, Foursquare, and Yelp. And you can do the same for the image up here in this area here, and you do the same what we did with this one. You can do dotted line, whatever you want to, dashes or just a solid line, but make sure you do this border here and the margin as well, from the vertical margin from top and the bottom, and the horizontal margin from the left to the right, and just make sure you choose 20 pixels, or just if you think you can do 10 pixels, whatever you like the best, okay? So whatever you like the best, but make sure you have this, because otherwise your image is gonna be too attached to the content here. Let's do this here. So let's go back. Let's go back to our manage. Let's go for this image here. So let's say, for example, here, so we have this image, and then we have to open here. We go to the image, and we go advanced, and then we don't have this. Let's say we don't have this border width or nothing here. And we just go click save changes, and you see how it is this. So now the image is gonna be super attached here. So this image here, see the difference? It has no border or nothing here, and this one has a border and it's not attached to you cannot even read this here, okay? So it's important that you have this. It's important that you have this, okay? So let's go here and we go advanced here and we go 20, 20, and then 10, 10 for the border width, and this is how we have it here. And now we're gonna have this border width, and then we're gonna have as well, we're gonna have the margin width and all that, okay? So remember that in order for you to do a blog post, you have to include an outbound link. Don't include an outbound link to another website unless this other website is attached or connected to you somehow. If you're gonna earn, you have to, if you're gonna make an outbound link connection, you have to make sure that this outbound link is useful, a useful source to you. So it's very important that, like right here, so we have our cleaning products, and if the Google Maps is a useful source to us, we're gonna include it here because right there is where we get our reviews, and people search us through Google, and sometimes people are found as well through Facebook Marketplace. And when you have these outbound links, whether it's from Yelp, Foursquare, in the search engine results, you're gonna appear, they're gonna give you high results. And as well, you're gonna have high results within the useful source because they say, okay, so this page here is connected to us and they get so many good reviews, it's also useful to us. And because if you become useful to Google Maps or you become useful to Facebook Marketplace or Foursquare or Yelp, they're gonna rank you higher. They're gonna see that okay, so they are useful to us too. So we're gonna try to just keep them with our platform because they bring people here, they bring people to us. So we just wanna keep them here as a useful resource as well. Okay, so it's important that you have this so you can have better search engine results and you appear much better and you can get more business coming into you. Okay, guys, so this is the how to make a blog, whether you want to outbound links or you want to link into your products, into your product services or your shop services or different the contact us or whatever, however you want to do it. Okay, guys, so we speak about the how to do the image, how to do the outbound link, and how to link your blog post into your inside your website as well, whether they're going to visit your homepage, they're going to visit your shopping cart, or they're going to visit the services page, whatever, you know. We just learn how to do the inbound link and as well the outbound link into the Google Maps or different online directories, but now we have to go visit and manage the module, and then we're gonna go see the settings. So this is going to be your settings for your blog post. So you're gonna have 5 blog posts per page, and you can include 10 or whatever you want to do here, but just leave it as 5 or 3 because by having just 5, then they're gonna have like a page number 2 for blog posts and another 5 here and so on. Then you want to display the date here, and then you want to enable the comments. So people they want to leave comments in your blog post, you can do that as well and something like that, and then comment displays mode and save changes. Okay, so we have this one here, they enable the comments. Okay, so we're gonna save changes, and now we're going to make a specific the so people they leave the reviews here in your website. They can do that as well if you want to keep it here in your website as well. You want to have reviews, you can do that as well. Okay, so we're going to create a, we're going to generate a manage module, and then we're gonna add a new post, and then it's gonna be here, leave your reviews, and then you have in this here, you can also do that as well, and then we're gonna include the body text. For the word counter, we're just gonna have one paragraph, so you're gonna explain them anything, you can explain them anything here. Let's go here, so you don't have to let's go it's over here, so we just go like this, and then we paste this here, and then we insert the image. So we insert the image, so we're gonna find for an image, let's go do this one, then we cleaning services, whatever you want to do. You don't really have to do it in your website, but you could as well. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, make it smaller, so we're gonna make it align left, and then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go advanced 20 here, 20 here, and then 10 here, and then select a border solid, and then we go like this. Okay, so this is for the body text. So leave your reviews here, and then right here, let's go here to the module, manage module, and then we have this one here, we come here, and then this one here, we go to the add body text. So we're going to include this other one, this different text. So we're going to copy different. You have to just make sure that you just write the stuff here, and you can say, okay, so just put the, if you are interested in leaving us a review, you can do it in this page, okay, in this post here, or something like this, and just save changes, but you have to make it like this. Okay, so just go heading to something like that, and then save changes. So you're gonna have this one here, and when people come click here, they're gonna do the comments here. They do the comments, and they're just gonna leave a comment here, and they just say, okay, so we're gonna leave a comment, thank you for helping us, we love your services, and so on, something like this, and just they post the comment here. Okay, so that's how they do it, and they're gonna do the verification, the email, and their name. Sometimes they do it like that in the website as well, if you are interested in collecting reviews here, and so on. And then we go here, and if you have your, let's go back to the modules, and you can see this one, this is going to be your link here. This is your link here to copy, and then we're gonna go back to our reviews. Let's go back to blog. Let's go. Okay, so let's go back here to the blog and manage modules. So this is leave your reviews here, and then cleaning services here. This is what we had here, and then we go here, and let's go here for our, we got service one, service two, and then our reviews here, and then you're gonna put us here. You're gonna put the name of your business here like this, and then you can include this link here inside your reviews, and then you're gonna make it a link, and then you're gonna make it this one here, and this you're gonna put your page reviews here like this, and then you're gonna save it, and then you will also, people can view the reviews inside your website when they put a comment or something. Every time the website they get reviews, or they go reviews from Google or something, they create like an action. It's called an action form that will make you, because your website is receiving more action, it means that your site is getting more business and more transactions. So whether they do it through Google, they do it through your website, or they do it some because you are connected here, they realize that okay, so this business is getting Google reviews or Facebook reviews with marketplace. They say okay, they have a connection. So this business, even though this website does not seem to uh, getting a lot of actions but only like visits, but they're gonna say okay, so they have actions here, they means they visit this website here. And if you collect the reviews as well in your website gonna start getting actions as well, and then you're gonna have more reputable business. Okay, so save changes here, and this is how you're gonna do it like that. Okay, so if you want to get more actions and everything, and this is how it goes. Okay guys, so let's go back to the other part. So if you want to watch these other videos on how to optimize, let's go here. Okay, so right now we are here in the blog. Let's go back here. So if we want to go here, let's go here. Let's go. Let's go like this. Okay, so we are right here. And the first thing that if we want to go here, so we have here, and then we're gonna go to settings. If I want to do the SEO tags for this specific block here. So we have this block, and then we're gonna do here. So this is for cleaning methods or something like this, and then we're gonna do this part here, and as well we're gonna do the products here. So we're gonna cover how you're gonna appear on search engine results by doing this block here, and then this is the block. Let's go here, and we're gonna cover all these. Okay, so whatever you may have here, so let's go the just enter this here, because some people they just want to go to Yelp and they pay so much advertising, and they just invest so much with them when they have the Google search engine results. Okay, people may find you through the Google search engine results, and it's important that you appear on the Google search. It doesn't cost you anything if your business is in demand, and if people from other areas they want to search you, or they come to this new area, they want to know, okay, so I come here this area, I just move into this area, I want to know who is cleaning in this area here. So they might search the internet to find someone, and they're gonna find you here, and you're gonna get a new customer that comes from a new area into this new area, and they're gonna search you in the internet. Okay, so it's important that you do the description here. So we're gonna do, let's go here, the word counter, and then we come here. So this is 44 words. And this, okay, so it's important that we're gonna cover how many characters you're gonna have in the SEO, but I'm just gonna include it. So this way you have a small idea how your Google search is gonna look, okay? So this is how you go save changes, and let's go here to settings. And this is how your Google is gonna look, okay? They're gonna have a description, but here in the make sure that if you want to see how we do this other part for the SEO, that you watch this other video. I'm going to include links on the bottom of this video on how to do the SEO, the search engine and meta tags, and as well we're going to do the different the part one and the part two. And if you want to get a web designer as well, we're going to put these links on the bottom of this video. Make sure that you watch these other videos in order for you to finish your website project. And if you want to do the hire a web designer, I'm also going to include the website layout information link so you can download and turn it into the web designer. But if you want to finish the website and do it yourself, make sure to watch the videos. Okay, guys, so if you want to watch the videos or either want to hire a web designer, I'm going to include the links on the bottom of this description. Have a beautiful day, and I hope you accomplish making your simple search engine website.